Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are good and safe at your homes. Welcome to this online computer class. I am here today to teach you in this online class. Today's topic: hardware and software. From page number 10, 11 and 12 of book. In today's lesson we will discuss about the hardware and software of the computer. So let's start our today's lesson. Computers help us do all our work with ease. They are made of two components. Number one, hardware, and number two, software. Let us read about them. A computer is a wonderful machine that performs many tasks for us with the help of its various components. A computer has two main components: A. Hardware, B. Software. First of all, we are going to discuss about the hardware component of the computer. Hardware, the physical parts of the computer that we can see and touch, are known as hardware of the computer. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. All these hardware parts of a computer are attached to the CPU. The hardware of the computer is further divided into three categories: A. Input devices, B. Output devices, C. Storage devices. Input devices, it gives the input to the computer. Output devices, it shows the output on the computer. Storage devices, it stores the data or output for future use. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, light pen, and tablet. These are some examples of hardware parts of the computer. The first category of the hardware that we are going to discuss is input devices. And the first input device that we are going to discuss is joystick. A joystick is an input device. A joystick is used to control movement of objects on a computer. It is used for playing games on a computer. Now we are going to discuss about scanner. A scanner is an input device. A scanner can read words, pictures, or numbers printed on a sheet of paper and change them into a form that a computer can understand. Now we are going to discuss about microphone. A microphone is an input device. A microphone is used to record voice, music, and sound into the computer. It is sometimes called a mic or mic. Now we are going to discuss about Light pen. Here is a picture of light pen. A light pen is a computer input device in the form of a light sensitive wand used in conjunction with a computer's CRT display. It allows the user to point to displayed objects or draw on the screen in a similar way to a touch screen, but with a greater positional accuracy. UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. A battery stores electrical power inside the UPS. It keeps the computer on for some time when electricity goes off so that you can save your work. The second category of the hardware that we are going to discuss is storage devices. And the first storage device that we are going to discuss is hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device located in the CPU box. It saves all our work we do on the computer. Now we are going to discuss about CD. CD stands for compact disc. CD is a circular disc that is used to store large amount of data. When we need to take it somewhere else, it can store lot of data. Now we are going to discuss about another storage device, which is pen drive. Pen drive is the latest storage device. It is small and can be kept in a pocket. It can store data more than a CD. It is also known as USB flash drive. The third category of the hardware that we are going to discuss is output devices. And first output device that we are going to discuss is printer. A printer is an output device that produces text and graphics on a physical medium such as paper. There are two types of printers. Number one, impact printers, and number two, non-impact printers. Now we are going to discuss about plotter. Plotter, a large-scale printer, which is very accurate in producing engineering drawings and architectural blueprints. Two types of plotters are flat bed and drum. Flat bed plotters are horizontally aligned, while drum plotters are vertically positioned. Speakers. Speaker is an output device. Speakers give out sound generated by the computer. Speakers help you to listen to music and sounds. Now we are going to discuss about the other component of the computer, which is software. Software is the part of a computer that we cannot see and touch. The step-by-step instruction given to the computer to perform a task is called program. A set of programs is known as a software. There are two types of software. Number one, system software. Number two, application software. First of all, we are going to discuss about system software. System software. System software is a set of instructions which controls and supports operations of the computer. A computer cannot run if the system software is missing. Now we are going to discuss about application software. Application software. These are the softwares that perform only a particular task. Like if we need to add two numbers, then we will open the calculator from the start menu. The calculator is an application software as it performs only calculations. Like this, we have many application softwares that perform various tasks. For example, MS Paint, Adobe Photoshop, MS Word, etc. Now we are going to discuss computer lab rules from page number 17 to 21 of book. Be safe. There are so many wires attached to the CPU. CPU wire is plugged into the electrical socket, so we should be careful. Do not touch the wires when the power button and computer is on. Do not push the computer table. It disturbs the wire connections. Be gentle. Do not bang hand on the keyboard. Keep a correct posture. When you are using a computer, your posture is very important. If you sit very close to the monitor, you will not be able to see the screen clearly and your eyes will start hurting. Keep your chair at proper height. Always sit straight in your chair. Keep a proper distance from the monitor. Do not pull parts away from the computer. Keep it clean. Keep the computer and its nearby area clean. Always keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Hold the mouse properly. If you click the mouse button continuously, then it will become faulty. Do not eat or drink near the computer. Do not disturb others by playing loud music. Dear students, hope you understand today's lecture. Now let's move on to today's homework. Here are some questions for you students. And question number 1 is define hardware. Question number 2, define software. Question number 3, write down 5 computer lab rules. You have to write the answers to these questions in your notebook. You have read the answers to these questions in today's lecture. Thank you.